Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a poor boy named Liam. He was 22 years old. Liam had brown eyes and black hair. He worked hard every day to help his family. His father was sick and his mother too old to work. Liam worked in the fields and sold vegetables in the market. His family was poor, but Liam never gave up. In the same village, there lived a rich girl named Mia. She was 20 years old. Mia had blue eyes and long golden hair. Her family was very rich. They owned many fields and a big house. Mia had everything she wanted, but she was not happy. She longed for a life full of love and kindness. One day, Liam was selling vegetables at the market when Mia came to buy some fruit. She saw how hard Liam worked and how kind he was to everyone. She said, "Hello, can I buy some apples?" Liam smiled and said, "Of course. These are fresh from the farm." Mia started visiting the market every day. She and Liam became friends. They talked about their lives and dreams. Liam said, "I dream of having a small shop one day." Mia said, "I dream of helping people who are poor." As time passed, Liam and Mia fell in love. One evening, Liam said to Mia, "Mia, I love you. You are the kindest person I know." Mia smiled and said, "I love you too, Liam. You are brave and strong." They were happy, but their happiness did not last long. Mia's father, Mr. Carter, found out about Liam and Mia. He was very angry. He said to Mia, "You cannot marry Liam. He is poor and not good enough for you." Mia cried and said, "Father, I love Liam. He is a good man." But Mr. Carter shouted, "If you marry him, you will no longer be my daughter." Mia ran to Liam and told him everything. Liam was very sad. He said, "Mia, I love you, but I don't want to make your life hard. Maybe we should not be together." Mia cried and said, "No, Liam, I want to be with you." Mr. Carter made life harder for Liam. He told the villagers not to buy vegetables from Liam's stall. Liam's family had no money for food. Liam's father grew sicker. Liam worked day and night to take care of his family. But it wasn't enough. One day, Mia came to Liam with tears in her eyes. She said, "Liam, I will talk to my father again. He must understand our love." Liam shook his head and said, "Mia, your father will never accept me. I am too poor. You should marry someone rich." Mia said, "I don't care about money. I care about you." Mia went to her father and begged him. She said, "Father, please let me marry Liam. He is a good man." But Mr. Carter was angry. He said, "You will marry the man I choose for you." Mr. Carter arranged for Mia to marry a rich man from another village. Mia refused, but her father locked her in her room. She could not leave the house. Mia cried every night thinking of Liam. Meanwhile, Liam was struggling. His father became very ill. Liam did not have enough money to buy medicine. He tried to borrow money, but no one helped him. Liam felt hopeless. He missed Mia but didn't know how to help her. One stormy night, Mia escaped from her house. She ran to Liam's small house. Soaking wet from the rain, she said, "Liam, I cannot live without you. Let's run away together." Liam was shocked. He said, "Mia, I cannot take care of you. I can't even take care of my family." Mia looked at Liam and said, "We can face anything together. I will work with you. I will help your family." Liam hugged her and said, "You are very brave. Mia, I love you." They decided to leave the village. They walked all night to the next town. They had no money, no food, and no place to stay. Liam worked as a laborer during the day and Mia worked as a maid. They earned little money but stayed together. Life was very hard for them. Sometimes, they did not have enough food to eat. Mia missed her family, but she stayed strong for Liam. Liam worked harder than ever to save money. He promised Mia, "One day, I will give you a better life." Years passed. Liam and Mia's hard work paid off. Liam opened a small shop and Mia helped him run it. They earned enough money to live a simple life. Mia's father heard about their success. He felt ashamed for not supporting his daughter. One day, Mr. Carter visited them. He said, "Mia, I was wrong. I see now that Liam is a good man. Please forgive me." Mia cried and said, "Father, I forgive you." Liam said, "Thank you for accepting us." Liam and Mia's life was still not easy, but they faced every challenge together. They knew that love and hard work could overcome anything. And so, Liam and Mia lived happily ever after, proving that true love is stronger than money or power. If you enjoyed the story, please like, subscribe, and share.